Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Robinhood account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change your email address of your account, you need to go to the account settings. Here in this screen, you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Once you're in your profile page, at the top left corner, you can see the three lines icon. Tap on it. You will be taken to the menu page. Here you can see the settings option. Tap on it. In the settings page, you can see the account details and options section. In this section, you will see the option of account information. I recently created my account and my account is still under the verification process. So if your account is not verified, you will not see the option of account information. After your profile is completely verified, you will be able to see the account information option over here. Only after that you can view your account information. So if you have a verified account, you can select the account information option, and inside that, you will be able to view the information regarding your account, like your account name, you can change your password, and in the contact section, you will be able to see the email address option. You can simply tap on it and you will see the option to update your email address. So that's it. That's how you can easily change your email address of your Robinhood account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.